We're making homemade hot Italian giardiniera. Giardiniera is an Italian condiment that's made up of pickled vegetables. The version I'm making for you is a hot giardiniera. So this one's gonna be really spicy. While the types of vegetables can vary, the non-negotiables for me in a giardiniera are celery, carrots, and cauliflower. It's just a little bit of each vegetable, so it's not very expensive to make, and it stretches a long way. But this recipe calls for 8 jalapeños sliced. For me, that's gonna be a little bit spicy. I'm gonna leave the seeds and veins in because I do want it to have a kick, but I'm just gonna slice up, 3. Once all your veggies are together, we're going to brine them overnight with just some salt and cold water. And you wanna add just enough cold water to cover. I'm just gonna cover this with plastic wrap and refrigerate it overnight. This is kind of brining our vegetables, just giving them that salty, crunchy punch. I'm gonna go ahead and make our pickling vinaigrette. A lot of times you'll find giardiniera just in vinegar and sometimes a mixture of oil and vinegar. This version has equal parts olive oil and white vinegar. I like mine a little more on the vinegary side, so I might add in a little more vinegar. Garlic, oregano, crushed red pepper, a little black pepper, and our vinegar and oil. Whisk it up. And then we're just gonna add in our olives. This is gonna give it that nice briny kick. Vinaigrette is ready, and tomorrow we'll bring it all together. Soaked and ready to be drained. I'm gonna drain off this salty liquid and then rinse it with some clean water. All right, then into the bowl, and our dressing goes right on top. Stir everything to coat. I like to go ahead and jar it up at this point, and then you wanna refrigerate it for a couple days for the best flavor. When you put it in the jars, you wanna be sure the liquid fills it up. It was just a little bit of each vegetable, and it makes a huge amount, so you can just keep filling these in jars. These would make actually really fun holiday gifts. So you want these to sit for a couple days for the best results, and lucky for you, I did that. So I'm gonna get these in the fridge and get my other ones out. All right, time to serve up our tasty little pickled treat. The classic way, of course, is to serve it on top of Italian beef sandwiches. And it doesn't just have to be Italian beef. This really goes well with any sort of rich meat. Ooh, my jaws just started tingling. It's got the kick, it's got the crunch, it's got the flavor. I think the soak in the salt water kind of takes some of that heat out of the jalapeno, so I probably could have added a couple more. It's good. You need to give this recipe a try. It's the perfect excuse to stop buying store-bought giardiniera and make your own. You could eat the whole jar.